Hi guys, quick video on how to link your main HTML file to your main CSS file. In your header element, we're going to add an element called meta. And inside this meta element, we're going to add an attribute called chart_sets with a value of UTF-8. And now we're going to close this element. Then we're going to add another element called link with an attribute of real with the value of Stylesheet. And then we're going to add another attribute called href with a value of, okay, so on this part, the value is going to depend on where your main CSS file is located at. So if you have your CSS file somewhere in a folder, you would have to put a folder's name. So this is a folder called design. And in my design folder, I got my main CSS file. So what I have to do is put design, the name of the design, or it should pop up here, like you see. Then click this, then click main CSS, and this should link your HTML with your main CSS. And that's it for the video.